We have cameras too.
Okay. Get away from me. Can you get away from me?
No.
Why?
Move me.
I'm not gonna move you, but you can get away from me though.
No.
You can get away from me.
No, I don't.
Personal space.
Excuse me. Is that your car?
Nope. I don't have a car.
Is it? I just saw you in a car.
But it's not mine.
Yeah? How are you?
I'm good.
He's got 2 crack pipes and just attacked his mother.
It doesn't matter.
It
he
does
doesn't
matter.
have to talk to you.
He doesn't.
There's no need for all these policemen to handle someone who's on drugs.
Mm-hmm.
There isn't.
Okay.
Do you think you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people to handle someone who's on drugs? He's not in his right mind.
And violent.
Huh?
And violent.
There's 10 people that needs
He
to
was
handle
holding a
someone.
weight in his hand. He could have smacked you in the head.
I wasn't near him. I wasn't gonna go near him.
Yeah.
I was far away from him.
Mm-hmm. You're a disrespectful little fucking cunt. That's what you are.
Thank you. You're gonna be viral. You're gonna be viral. I'm just telling him he doesn't have to say anything. He's not in his right mind.
He doesn't.
He's not in his right mind.
He
You can
doesn't.
definitely tell.
You know, you could get off the sidewalk though.
Why?
Because it's a public sidewalk.
And I'm a public person. I
So
live
start
here.
walking.
No, I don't have to.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay.
You guys can help him right now.
We are. We're getting him in the hospital right now.
You don't need 10 people. You're not helping him.
He's fought with the
clearly
police for us for
belligerent.
20 years. We
Okay.
do need it.
Okay.
Okay? How old
I'm
are you?
not talking to
12?
you anymore. Okay.
14?
Thank you.
Well, yeah.
Thank you.
I don't care if I go viral. I really don't.
Thank you for calling me a cunt, though.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
For the federal government.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Which federal government?
Yeah, you don't need to know any more than that.
Okay. Because I'm going to come to your work and sit there and tape you.
Go ahead. You can
You know?
do that. I don't think they'll let you in, though. So it's
Yeah.
okay.
They will.
No, they won't. You need a badge.
I have one.
Not the badge that you need.
Yeah. What do you do? Are you a secretary?
Because I'm a woman?
I'm just asking. Are you a doctor?
None of your business. Qualified enough to work for...
Mm-hmm. Their qualifications are how low?
He was literally pushing me, and now he's trying to chastise me like I care. I don't care.
I don't care either.
Okay.
You're going to get nothing here.
It's okay. I don't mind getting nothing, and I don't mind that guy is out of his mind right now. I just want to make sure he's okay.
He is okay.
Okay.
What bad's going to happen with the police here?
Well, we were just concerned because there were so many.
Attacked his mother.
Well, you called me a cunt, and you shoved me. You were pressing.
I didn't shove you.
You
Onto her.
you weren't pressing on.
No.
You weren't pressing yourself on me.
No.
You're a lie.
It's unnecessary to be known.
Yes.
And he literally was.
A danger to you.
Am I dangerous? Are you scared of me?
Posing a danger.
Are you scared of me? You're
No.
scared of me.
I'm scared of you.
You're scared of me.
I just want to make sure that I'm taping you, that you're taping my people.
Well, I'm sure you can rewind that tape and show that you're pressing yourself against me and try to shove
Okay,
me
too.
until I move my way around you.
Pardon me?
Yes, you did. It's on recording.
You called me a cunt.
Yes, it was unnecessary.
It was?
Oh, look at that. We got you.
You're overly trying to intimidate.
I'm not gonna go anywhere because he's around 10 police officers.
That's why I'm saying we're concerned because there's
So what? So what? So what?
10.
So what? Everybody got their own rights. You can't tell me I'm not going to the hospital. 'Cause I ain't done shit wrong. She was leaving pregnancy, right? So she wanted me to